Hi everyone! Today I'm at the Allen Parkway. This is a park near me. I'm taking my video here just to show you that I'm here. I'm doing some grounding, sitting on the ground, getting some of the sunlight that's come in on January 1st, which is the first day of the New Year 2025. And congratulations everyone! Happy New Year to you! So in this video I'd like to say that for the last 3 weeks I've been reflecting on 2024 and looking at the plans and looking at the progress of what I've done, and also from that reflection planning ahead for 2025 and see what are the projects that I would like to bring on to 2025 and continue and push through till I get the breakthrough. There are some plans that we can see that progress, and some plans that, you know, after a while it's okay if you feel that you don't want to do it anymore, you have a change of mind, you can also do that. So 2024, the last 3 weeks, if you haven't done that already, maybe reflect upon 2024 and see what are strategies, what are the methods, strategies that can make you better. And at the same time, reflect on the weakness, reflect on what are the things that you feel need improvement. And I feel 2025, if you know what are the things that you need to improve, then tweak a little bit on the strategy so that you can improve. Whether it's time management, whether you find stress because you don't have enough time to get your plans all underway, then maybe think of some ways to help you with that. So time, resources, and also sometimes it's just planning out. Sometimes just resolution, to be more resolute, to be more determined to get through and to break through so that you can achieve the success that you want. And in 2025, as this is the first day, write down a few dreams and goals that you would like to achieve for this year. I think everyone has that. And I know that on the first day, sometimes you find that making resolution is hard, and after the first week, you might be, thinking of giving up, but don't do that. It's very good to set new intentions, actually, to set new goals. And it can be goals that is from 2024 and you carry forward. However, you put in some strategies, something that you can tweak to see more progress. Let me share with you this example. My first YouTube channel is called Meals with Sue. It is a channel that I share recipes to the world. The first mission that I had for myself is to collect and make an archive of the recipes around the world. I had the opportunity to travel the world and live in 4 continents, and I feel that I would like to keep some of this culture alive, and it is for our younger generation to know what are food we eat and why we eat it and how it has helped society improve their health and become, keep some of the wholesome recipes that we have in the past. I feel it's good to carry that to the future, and even though our life gets busy, there are ways that we can still use wholesome ingredients to cook healthy food for ourselves. This is very important because health is at the end our base, our most important asset. So from that channel, I've grown from 0 subscriber to 13,000 subscriber. Even though I myself felt that it wasn't enough for me, last year actually I wanted to monetize it and get income from it, because I've been filming all with my own resources. I've been using all my time. I have a full-time job, and at the same time this is my part-time hustle, and I'm used every moment of my time to learn CapCut, to do all these videos. And I hope you can share some love, give the thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to give me some encouragement. And after reflecting on this, I feel that I still want to do this. It gives me joy and gives me a kind of a mission and fulfillment, and this is my purpose. So I will continue. It gives me joy. So I'm gonna do it. And I think because it is not easy, because time is always not enough. So I will find ways to make sure it is done in a faster and more efficient way. And I will break through this. And I think you will have something in your life, some plans that maybe you started last year and you wanted to continue this year, and you need some strategies and some ways to kind of be able to do it better, do it more efficient, and get it done in a better way. So think about those things, and always remember improvement. We can always improve in our process, in our mind. And the most important is also think through, because our thoughts is the one that can, if we want to do it and has the intent, and then we have the resolute, we have the determination, we will be able to break through any goals that we set. So set some goals for this year and carry it through, and don't give up. Go to this year 2025, set some goals, reflect on the past, set some goals, and make some good strategy, plan it out, and all right, this year let's go for it. And I encourage you, and I think it's not easy, but with a lot of determination, with some good strategy, we can do it together. Comment down below if you want me to give you some support, encouragement in your plans. Comment down below and I'll be your biggest fan. I'll cheer you on, and let's do it together. Thank you for watching. Bye.